Hey guys, so I'm trying to do Instagram Live and I'm recording on YouTube at the same time. So I thought, we'd try this out a little bit. So I'm here at Metta Wellness and I'm getting ready to show you guys how to make tea. So I have everything already set up here, so I'm going to move the cameras a little bit so you guys can see what we're doing over here. So I have my setup here and we'll let you guys in on the secret here of what we're doing. And this way it'll also give you guys different options of how to make your teas. So I have my water over here onto the side, nice and easy. Boiled up some water this morning. It's ready to go. I'm going to show you two different methods. This is the jar method. I tell all my clients to do it this way. And then I also have a press, which is another easy way to do the method when you're making your teas. So let me show you guys how to do these. I'm going to move this camera just a little bit more. Sorry, this is my first time doing it this way, so hopefully it all works out right. So with the jar method and with the press method, I do the same thing to start with. So I have my tea. This is my adrenal blend, and this is the base adrenal blend that I sell here at the store. This one has ashwagandha, shatavari, basil, and cinnamon chips. Okay, one of my favorites. And then, because I'm working on my adrenals right now, I'm working on what we call strengthening the ojas, which is my life force energy. And I'm really just kind of strengthening that up right now because of this last year. And a lot of us need to strengthen those up, right? So we need that life energy, that vitality in our body. So I'm adding a little rooibos, which I quite like. It has a very much of a tea flavor to it. Now, if I were making it for my partner, he would have it just this way. Nothing else, just with the rooibos added to this blend. I, on the other hand, like to have it a little bit more. I like the creamy texture that maca has in it. So I'm going to add in a little bit of maca, and I figured I'd let you guys see how this system works too, right? How do we make things? So I'm going to add about a tablespoon of maca in there. And it depends on what I'm feeling. Sometimes I add more, sometimes I add less. Again, I took a base blend that I have and I'm adding to it, which is what's fun about teas, right? You can start with a base blend and then you can add whatever you want to them. I do a blueberry nettle at home, which again is my other half, his favorite. And when I make the blueberry nettle, I will add frozen blueberries to it. And that's a really good way to make my tea a little bit different. So I'm going to take the tea, and what I'm going to do is I have my press here and I have my jar. I'm going to take 2 nice scooping tablespoons because I like mine a little bit stronger. So I'm going to put the tea in there, and I'll put 3 in this one because this is a bigger jar. All right. And then all I'm going to do, this is where it gets really easy. So you take your jar, I'm going to add my water to my jar, and I add it slowly in there towards the center of my jar, okay? And you see this has a nice creamy texture to it. Hopefully everybody can see it. Kind of looks creamy and almost like it has a foam on it, right? That's the maca and the ashwagandha working. So if I were at home and I were doing this and I tell my clients to do it this way, leave the lid on it, leave it overnight. And that's simple. In the morning you can strain it out and it's ready to go. Your tea is good. You don't have to worry about anything. In the press, I'm going to put the water in. I don't know if I have enough water for my press. I do not, but that's all right. We'll show you how to do it this way anyways. I can add more water to it. I'm going to put my press on there, and then I'm going to let this tea sit for about 10-15 minutes. When I come back, I'm going to strain it out, pour it into my cup, drink it, and we're ready to go. So that's 2 simple ways of making your teas. All right, and like I said, I take mine, I add different herbs to them, or I'll add frozen blueberries to my nettle tea, different things to, make it personalized, right? So, and you guys can do the same thing with your teas at home. So hope you enjoyed. Hope everybody learned a little bit of how to make your teas. Next time I'll show you how to do them in a cup and with a strainer, and also how to do them in the reusable tea bags. All right, guys, have a good one and see you later.